Hello and welcome everybody. LUCID stock or LCID stock on 13 December. Let's see that with the steps in this video. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like for more price predictions that can be available for every trader or every one who is going to trade on this stock. So, according to what we want here in this place, is going to be about the price that it has reached on 8 USD. So on side stock, we want to go in a conclusion about how can we go for the side stock in a next parts. So the next part that can be done for the side stock, absolutely about what we can go for the price here and here. So the price that can be located here is going to be about 21 USD, and here is going to be a price about 16 USD. So that is going to be a difference about 5 USD absolutely. And the next part that can be from the trend line to the another trend line is going to be about this level to this level. Okay, maybe about 4 USD, and then it's going to be a decrease from this level to this level, 3 USD. But the thing is that matters also, if we said that the price from the 0 Fibonacci level to the upper level should be higher in bigger in size or bigger in difference, or has high difference in between this level and this level, more than this level and this level, that means this value should have been more than this value. Okay, but in this stock we say that it has here a value with difference between this level and this level is going to be having a value between this level and this level. If we see that, for example, that LUCID stock has an increase next time from this level to this level, has a good introduction or a good beginning to increase, so the increase will be good next time here, and this is going to be good next time to have great start for the side stock on the price to have its part to increase from 8 USD, and this is a prediction to 11 again. Why? Because we see that we have 4 trend lines, and we have 5th and 6th and 7th one, and this is the start of the decrease in momentum, and there is no a value that can be more than this value. And we see that if we reach it about 7 trend lines, it should have to take its process to increase next time on the side stock. So we have could explained this about 3 hours. So if we went for 1 hour update, this is going to be the same thing, but we can check out that we have missed about 1 trend line, which is going to be here. If we went for 3 hours, it may not be 1 2 3 4 5 7 7 8. Okay, maybe it's going to give us one missing trend line if we went for 1 day. This is not going to be absolutely the accurate one or accurate trend line, so we'll have to remove it from this place, and we see that we have to return back to 3 hours update. We should take care about, since we see the value of the start of the decrease 46 USD until it reaches 8, so we can see that the price should be higher here, okay, and would be lower here, but we can see that is going to be like this. That is because we changes the locations of the trend lines. and that location of the trend line was not very accurate. And according to the stocks that we wanted to mention, is going to be in this form. We see that next time on LUCID stock, it would increase in momentum, this level, then decrease, then increase in another form, and that what is absolutely going to be about for this stock. So this is going to be the place that we can go for it and reach up again and again until it reaches one Fibonacci level. Since it reaches one Fibonacci level, it goes to be the another profit, and that may happen here, may happen since the start of 2023. We can take another price prediction, which is going to be instead of the first price prediction, which it was this one. So the next price prediction will be about the movements that could happen in this form. We can focus clearly since it decreases on the last part in this side. We have to go for those two slope lines, and it seems that it could move on this form, and this was start of a value from 221 USD till it reaches 8. If we calculated the number of trend lines, we can go for those four or trend lines right now, and we have another two trend lines. We say that it seems we have completed 0 and 1 Fibonacci level again. However, this may be a second journey about 0 1 Fibonacci level. Maybe this can be the start of, this can be the middle process here for the wall start from this level to this level, or maybe it could be made into two progresses, or two times of 1 to 0 Fibonacci level. So we can calculate the number of trend lines from this level to the lower level. Since we can see the value here, it's going to be about 46 USD, and then it decreases to this level. So this is going to be the first trend line that it can meet, or maybe this trend line. We can go for the second trend line, which is going to be after this line. Okay, we can say that we can call it the third one, or the third trend line, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, and that is going to be the true one, true swing. And it seems that this part can be removed from LUCID stock here, and it has no thing that is going to be have any benefit on this chart, because it's just a, a thing that is not going to have any benefit. And we say that it's going to be looks like, if we say that the process after it decreases or increases, for example, it goes to be ordinary movement, there is no increase or decrease in momentum with a huge values, just it returns back and rebounding, or it going to be waiting whether it would increase or decrease. So the value that started from here to here could decrease, and we can go for the increase next time for this, because it decreased a lot, and the rule can be about the more that it gives you the decrease, it gives you an increase in momentum. So we can see that LUCID stock would be another increase in momentum. Okay, and I think if we calculate the number of trend lines until we reach it right now, we can see it about 5 trend lines. So we can go for the price that can be for the profit, and this profit can be this decrease in momentum, and we can have the price from this LUCID stock until it increases here. So That's what we can think about. Okay, maybe if we check it that clearly on this stock, we can have a good things about Lucide stock, and we could explain everything about it on 13 December, and that is going to be one of the stocks that is still popular until now, and there is no problem for everybody who can invest on this stock. And good luck on another episode about surprise prediction on Lucide stock.